Hey guys, it's Kira. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for a wig that I currently received. This is a 99J wig from AliPearl. They recently reached out to me wanting me to review this wig for them, so of course accepted. This is their AliPearl Hair 99J Body Wave 5x5 Lace Closure Human Hair Wig. This wig is in 18 inches, I believe, and it also said that it is 180% density. This wig can be purchased on Amazon. It is currently $175 for their 18 inch. They also have a 16 inch, a 20 inch, 22, and a 24. So it seems like the lengths are just from 16 to 24. They also have it in other colors, but this wig of course is their 99J, which is a burgundy color, which is also great for me because I've been having my hair red for over a year now, so of course I like the red. When you receive your wig, you're gonna get it in a cute little bag like this. It says AliPearl 100% unprocessed human hair. I love this bag. It's so pretty and I love the color. And once you open it, you will have your wig inside. So this is the wig in the bag. And they also did send me two more items to review for them. They sent me this bonnet. I chose the color purple. And this is like a huge bonnet. I've never had a bonnet this big before. It doesn't have their logo, so it's logoless, but that's fine. This is just so cute and so pretty. This would be great if you have like box braids or like faux locks, things like that. They also sent me this little pouch. I'm gonna see what's in there. It comes with a, what is this? Oh, this is one of those scarves that you use to tie around your edges to like lay the baby hairs and lay the lace. And it does have their logo. It says AliPearl. Really cute, really pretty. And the little pouch also comes with an edge brush, which is purple. What is this? Measuring tape. I'm not sure what this is for, but thanks. And then with the wig itself, it comes with a wig cap and gives you their contact information and a little hair care guide, like how to wash your wigs, hair care, cleaning it, combing it, all of that jazz. Taking it out of the bag right now. And let's see how it looks. Has this, comes with a little net on it also. Ooh, the little thing is caught. Comes with adjustable straps, and it's actually caught on the hairnet right now, so I'm trying to take that off. What the hell? Wait, okay. So this is the wig fresh out of the packaging. Running my hands through, it feels very soft. It has a kind of a smell to it. It doesn't smell bad, but I'm not sure what the smell is. So you would definitely want to wash this before you install it. The lace is definitely transparent. It is not HD lace, but they didn't advertise it as such anyways. And this is what the hairline looks like. It looks slightly pre-plucked at the hairline. I'll definitely have to go back in and pluck some more. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It's a, of course, machine-made unit. The wig is definitely a 5x5. This is a 5x5 closure. Comes with some wig combs. More than likely will not be using them just because they kind of cause tension on my hair. And it does come with adjustable straps on the inside, so you can tighten it or loosen it up as you may. Looking closely in the wig at the knots appear to be small. You definitely do not want to have a wig with large knots. The smaller the knots, the more realistic your hair will look. This is a wig, it's lace, but still you want smaller knots. So yeah, that's my overview for this wig from AliPearl. Thank you, AliPearl, for sending me this unit for me to review and try out. One of my next videos will be me like installing this wig, plucking it. I'll more than likely bleach the knots because, as I said, I was looking closely and they are a bit dark. And I will be using some lace tint mousse to match this transparent lace with my skin tone because I am of a darker complexion. But yeah, overall I don't really see any negative things about this wig. Hopefully it does fit my head because I have had machine made units in the past not really able to fit my head. Hopefully this wig of course does, and I will tell you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this little unboxing, and I will definitely be coming back with more reviews for this wig plus other units and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.